Hello everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning whenever you're seeing this video. So let's start today's trading session and let me just log in. Hopefully my screen is visible guys, right? So I will be trading in this screen. This is my second screen and this is my Mac screen. So webcam is here. So I will talk to you like this and I will trade like this. One more thing that I will do is I will open one more tab here or one more window here which I can see other trading chart, that is maybe Bitcoin or gold, and here I will trade in one of them. Alrighty, so we are logged in, and let me just do one more thing. Yeah, let's follow the top down approach. So we'll start. Wow. So we'll start the top down approach from daily time frame, and as you can see in daily time frame, uh, this is where market is trending in the up direction and going up direction in a single run. So for the past couple of days, market is extremely bullish and the market is going in that direction without any pause or something. So it's quite good. For the past couple of days, like 3 or 4 days, market paused a little bit, but for last week, market is extremely bullish, guys. So as of now, this particular candle is closing in the downward direction, trying to close in the downward direction. So we'll find the best possible way to trade in the particular day only. So the, right now, this particular candle is trying to go in the downward direction, and we find the opportunity in the downward direction in the short term actually, because we will scalp, and scalping is usually done in 5 or 10 minutes time frame or maximum 15 minutes time frame. Then we will see what when we narrow the band the time frame, then we can see that whatever the chart will tell us that market is bullish or bearish in the smaller time frame, we can trade according to that. So in the long run market is bullish, but in the short term, very short term, market is quite bearish. As you can see, this 4 hour time frame candle chart actually, this is the nearby buying support, and this is where market is trying to go in the downward direction. So yeah, a little bit bearishness in the market. Why I'm saying this bearishness? Because from here market is falling in a channel actually. So the chances are that market can touch this lower trend line is quite high, rather than going in the up direction suddenly. So the sudden shift is quite rare, and you'll see that if we find an opportunity in the downward direction, we can just trade. Mhm. Mhm. Alrighty, so let's. What is happening in the gold? Let's see. Gold as well is quite bullish in the longer time frame, that is daily time frame. And right now, the current day candle is. Let me just show you the chart as well. Yeah, so this is the gold chart, and this is my daily time frame uh, selection. And as you can see, the market is quite bullish, but at the same time, this candle is going in the downward direction. This is how market travels in either up direction or downward direction. So right now the trend is in the up direction, and this particular red candle means that market is taking a pullback. So market moves in a zigzag, not in the straight line or something like that. So this is a usual move, and this is how market usually moves. So this might be a pair pullback, and this can last long till here or till here. And pullback can be a greater pullback and a smaller pullback. That depends on the pullback and depends on the sentiment and how people trying to behave. So yeah, and this is the nearby selling zone where market fall on the daily time frame, and it is last time market reached here in April, and from there market fall till August. So this is a crucial zone where sellers are active, and we will see that how from here it is very hard for market to just make a pull, just make a move in a one direction in till here, because this is very rare. These many buyers are there, and they are holding their position and holding their ground, which is quite hard for the sellers to pull to push the market in the downward direction, because the sellers are there and they don't want the market to go in the downward direction. So let's so this is early time frame. There are chances that market can fool out these sellers and can take a pullback, and in this pullback can wipe out the weak sellers, because their stop losses are here. So there might be a chances that this pullback can last long here, and then continue its momentum in the downward direction again. And as you can see from here, market is showing double top as well, and market is trying to go in the downward direction slowly. And after this candle, it's quite good that market sustained till here. But as of now, this green candle is showing that market may trap these sellers, and there are chances that market can trap more sellers here, and can invite buyers as well at the same time. So we are also interested at how it will behave. So what I will do, I will just make some markers. So this is the nearby supporting zone, though this is the buying selling zone. But I'm interested this supporting zone, interested in some the supporting zone will work or not as intended. I'm keeping this here, and I will focus on the Bitcoin, and the side by side I will focus on the gold as well. So if I find opportunity in the gold, I will trade in this paperweight.com. चल, okay. I'm coming, guys. Oh, I can see there is a breakout in BTC in the up direction, which is basically these sellers are trapped. One second, guys. Wow. One second. So, what's the hell? Hopefully, my screen is visible, right? So, market has already broken this red zone and touched this trend line, upper trend line. So, all the sellers who are here got trapped, and see, everyone who is thinking that market will fall after this is they need a little bit of convincing thing, because market can fool out people and trap people a lot. If they're thinking that market can go down, though there is no hard proof that market can go down from here. Though, see, we can see that market went down, and a sudden market tried to take a support from here. So it's quite difficult that market can go in the downward direction in one go, because they are buyers here. Though they are sellers, but they are not that strong. So It accumulated sellers for 15-20 minutes, and again, market is making a move in the up direction. I will not jump directly in the up direction because this is a very good selling area. So wait a little bit.